That's awesome news. You know why? Because your amount, if you told me I'm going through 5 of them, I've seen patients, I've had patients come to me, said I had a prostatectomy done, and I go through 10 pads, they're just leaking all the time. So it depends. I believe you have very, very, very I'm very optimistic that you'll be able to achieve near perfect continence. You may dribble here and there if you really exert yourself, but the fact that you're only using a pad, you may not need anything. Maybe after another few months and you keep practicing those Kegel exercises or those Kegel exercises, or where you basically are strengthening the sphincter, you may be able to not need anything. And maybe if you may have an occasional pad just for protection.
Well, you're always packing.
Yeah, you always. But I'll tell you what, sometimes less is more. Sometimes, so don't be, trying to get perfect may cause more problems. You try this and you try that, you get a procedure and you end up with a worse thing. So sometimes I always tell my patients, if I can prevent a procedure, if I can prevent giving you a medication, if I can prevent giving you a drug, I will, unless the benefits far outweigh the harms. So as Hippocrates, the father of medicine, what he said, everyone says do no harm, right? But he also said our number one jobs as doctors is to convince the patient not to take a medicine. I know it's a double negative, to not take a medicine. And the same thing as a surgeon, not to undergo a procedure. I know that's heresy for a surgeon to say, that's how we make our livings. But the point of the matter is, do the right thing. A lot of times less is more. When it becomes a situation, if you came to me crying, say, Doc, I can't live. I smell bad. I'm taking 10 pads. I can't even go out to church. I can't go out to a bowl. Life's not worth living. Then for me to say, okay, let's talk about a sling or let's talk about a sphincter, then that starts to make more sense. Here, you can walk in and really improve the quality of your life.